A-line.
All right, it's
Let's
your
go.
funeral.
What? No.
Light it up.
I have to wait so long the whole entire day. Got on the first ride at Whistler, first chair at Whistler at like 10:30. What time is it now? At 5:51.
Where are you going?
I don't know. 5:51. I picked 10:15 and 17.
Okay, it's first lap on A-line, so don't go crazy with the tricks.
I won't.
Just land the jumps, and we have no idea if they've changed a lot.
Right.
All right,
On
gotta get a lot of
favorites-
speed there, bud.
Whoa.
It's not a big drop. You're fine.
I just saw it and it looked scary. What?
Do it again.
Oh, that's tiny.
It's tiny. Why'd you stop?
Because it looks big.
Now we gotta go back up.
No, we don't.
Well, we can't start from here, dude.
Okay. Now I have to do that sketchy rock again.
Yeah, you gotta do the sketchy rock again.
That's the scariest part. Come on. Pedal, pedal.
I'm going from over here. All right, A-line, take 2.
Yep.
Fast.
Oh yeah, that was tiny. Oh, these always
Hip
scare me.
jump.
That always scares me.
Love the hip jumps.
I do not.
Gotta go faster here, bud.
This is my first time riding. So gotta take it easy. Yep.
Make way.
Yep. Not happening. Whee! That was fun. Oh.
Let the quick guys through. Me too, actually. So this was the
I only
community.
ride fast when I'm got to take a piss.
Yeah. I can wait.
Ready?
Yeah, let's go.
I'm doing. Oh wow. Oh, this is like exactly the same. These people crank it up. It's not that bad. Honestly, I thought it would have been much worse. I'm really bad. That's what I'm afraid for. Really young. Yeah, there's no ice in that.
Oh man, I need to go faster.
Okay, now it's this.
That's a lot of braking bumps.
Oh, I remember this go. Right there. Oh, that one has like a gap now. I know we got that. Remember that. I don't know. Talking to myself. Holy crap, holy crap.
Never like that one.
Nope. Yep. We're gonna send in this. Whee! Not sending this one, not sending this. That was fun. Pretty sure I might have seen that on YouTube. Maybe before. I'm recording this. I could've. Right across the sailboat side of the other. Why did I talk so much? I don't know. Maybe I'm just scared of it. So Yeah, you know. What the heck? Ooh, my heart. Oh, wow.
What's that?
That was crazy.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Give your dad a second.
Yeah. I need a second too.
Hang tight, see if these guys go through. All right.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Yep.
Let's go.
Let's go.
My favorite section of A-line. That's new.
I need to work on my jumping. I'm like scared. Like, oh, it's so fast. Great. Easy.
Rocks.
Yeah. For that. Ooh. Whee! Oh, it's so fun. Oh, what the?
Good drop.
That was the cleanest round. This is clean.
Gotta catch my kid, he's going too fast.
Remember this part. Oh, no, I don't. Like that. One, four. Okay, Alright. What the heck? Yep, no, I was doing that. Oh.
Okay. My kid's ahead of you.
Oh, that was sketchy.
Not fast enough.
Oh, that was awesome. Oh, I hate this part though. We'll get all the way down here. I'm gonna try out some 5 on last time. Hey, Dad. Oh, you're not my dad. You always be faster.
Remember, to the left.
Yeah.
To the left, hit that drop.
I want to try zone 5.
Okay.
Let's try this. I do not need to
You need a little breather before we do that one.
Wait. What is Easy Does It?
That's the one we do with Kim and Lennox a bunch of times.
Go all the way down there?
Yeah, it's really boring.
You're not like water there.
Okay, remember, this is a little techie in here.
What?
This is techie in here, so just do what you do. Come on, James.
You go first.
Why?
Because. Come on, person. Stop texting me at this time. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. What the?
Good job, bud. Let that rider pass. Pull over. It's not as bad as you remember, eh?
Wait, don't go.
Why? What are you doing?
Carson keeps texting me.
Tell him that you're busy.
Okay, ready?
You want to go in front this time? It's jumps.
Oh, okay, yeah, I'm definitely in front. Woo! Oh, it's so fun, it's fun!
Whoa, James!
Oh my god!
Oh, my kid is nuts. Ah! Jump the berm! You psycho?
I flew!
You flew on that one.